Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Sweetcoin not counting steps. For this, we will move in the iPhone settings and we will just scroll down and just finding the last is apps, just tap on it, and from this you'll be just finding the application of Sweetcoin. So when you just finding like this, so just tap on it to get in. So make sure you will just have to enable your background app refresh. If it turn it off, so you will be just turn it on. So save these settings, and also you will be just enable the live activities. These settings turn it on, background app refresh or live activities. So this will be fixed Sweetcoin not counting steps. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.